should have started packing a long time ago. And cheers to leaving this place. My first home in Toronto. Hello, good morning. Today is moving day. I'm smiling, but I'm really crying on the inside because I'm so stressed. Moving between condos is stressful because you have to coordinate elevators on both ends and also navigate through like narrow hallways, and oh, I'm not looking forward to this, but we're doing it. Also, hi, my name is Rachel, and if this is the first video you're seeing of me, please click onto another video afterwards because I don't always look like this. I'm just stressed and my body's aching from doing 4 days of renovation, and now I'm about to move and I'm overwhelmed. But hi, thanks for tuning in today. Alright, so I am going to pack up my kitchen first, hopefully load that up into the car downstairs, and then bring that over to the new place and unload it. Then I can use those boxes again to come back and do another load because I don't have enough boxes. I'm trying to do things a little bit more gradually, and then later this evening I have the elevators booked so that I can move my big furniture and stuff, but hopefully I can just like move by hand some of my like kitchen stuff especially. Let's get started. So I just finished my first load of my kitchen stuff. So this is all empty. This is all empty. These are empty, and this is almost empty. And I also did my freezer. Oh, this is really challenging. I am really trying hard to keep going and not be really negative because this is challenging. Moving is horrible, especially moving between two condos. I never want to do this again. So I made one trip over of like kitchen stuff because my kitchen in my new place is already clean like I showed you, so I can start putting things away. My parents are there, my dad's finishing like painting the trim and stuff, and my mom is now unboxing those kitchen boxes, so thank God I have help. But it's really challenging to bring everything, like, you know, trolley it through the elevators, and oh my god, I'm not having fun doing this. But I'm gonna persevere. So I think my game plan from here is to continue packing things up into bins and boxes and all of that stuff, and then because it's still a little bit early, it's 1:30 right now, and my official like moving like time that I booked the elevators for is from 4:30 to 6:30. Don't ask me why, that's a horrible time because that's like rush hour, so there's like people coming home from work which need to use the elevators, as well as it's gonna take a while to drive back and forth. But that was a fight in itself trying to arrange that with this building. This building was giving me a hard time. But anyways, we're persevering and we're gonna put on our happy face. So anyways, what I was saying is I'm gonna continue putting things in boxes and bins and things like that and have it all organized into like loads so that we can then come with the truck and my mom's car, load everything up during like our official booking time where the elevators will be like held for us, and then we can quickly do that back and forth, hopefully. I should have started packing a long time ago, and everyone in my life told me that I should have, but I didn't. In case you were wondering what my current nail polish collection looks like, this is how much my collection has grown since I moved here a year ago. And of course I'm gonna package them properly with some protective materials. But this is huge. This whole Amazon box is full of nail polish. update time. It's been 2 hours and this is my progress. These are officially empty and everything's in these. That's empty. Everything is like wrapped up, all the cables, and ready to move that. I just need to take a few more things off of my desk here. My bedding is all wrapped up. Everything is out from under the bed. I would say 60% of the kitchen, no, 70% of the kitchen is done. The bottom of the closet is clear. Just need to bring over the clothes and then put the stuff at the top into a bag. And I still need to do the washroom. And I have exactly 1 hour for my elevator booking. I should be able to do it all, but this is exhausting. I am officially all packed up and ready to load up the truck. Wish me luck. This is the last look at my apartment. My first apartment in Toronto. And my cute little dog here. He's been hanging out all day. Hey, buddy. Good morning. I have officially moved out of here, and so I'm just back right now that all my stuff is gone to clean up. Oh my god, it echoes in here. Oh, this is so sad but exciting. I'm really excited to move on and be at my new place. It's like, oh, I'm just so excited to like finish decorating and everything there. But this place like meant so much to me. It was my first home in Toronto. Like, just so many things happened here. This is crazy. But moving on, so now I'm cleaning. The lighting in here has always been really nice because of the white walls, which we painted last year. But yeah, I guess since I moved out, I can show you my view now. It's not spectacular. This was the view outside my window. But I had a nicer view from my bed. It's really foggy today, but the sun would set behind that building and it was really pretty. So this is it. I need to just like throw those boxes in the trash and then clean up. But this was my home for the last year and almost a half. There's nothing left. My closet is empty. The bathroom just has some cleaning products. And then I have my suitcase here because I wanted to keep it here so that anything that I forgot or find while I'm cleaning, then I have a way to bring it back with me because I don't have a car. So I wanted to be able to roll it home, make it a little bit easier, but this is it. That's the bed frame that we actually built, and I never got around to painting it. It was so ugly, but I kind of knew that I was gonna be moving out, so I didn't really invest the time to paint it, even though I should have. And now the next person is going to be using it. And that's it. All right, 3 very long hours later, maybe even longer. Finally done. This is the last look of my first apartment. It's all empty and clean. In the bathroom. That's it. Cheers to leaving this place and my first home in Toronto. That's a wrap.